Alright, don't put your front tire in that fucking crack. That's a bitch. Yeah, this one in between these rocks. I didn't pick a very good line, apparently. But that's a tight turn. You can come off the ledge. You'll hit your skid plate, but there's rocks on the other side to catch you. Hey, mountain bikes only, assholes. There you go. And I was thinking about cutting down here, but I don't know. It's kind of hard to judge. So I went that way. But either way, yeah, I have to get off and turn it. Get out of the way. If you can kick your back tire over, that'll help, because you're coming right off that cliff edge. You won't be able to hold your bike. Yeah. There you go. Heave-ho! Nice. Very good. Oh, Craig's coming down the edge. You're going to want to get on your brake side. You're going to want that back brake, I think. If nothing else, there you go. Go help him out real quick. Spot him. Alright. Neil's going to come spot you. There you go. Pull his back end around a little bit. Just grab. Just catch Craig as he falls off the mountain. Yeah, I thought about coming down that and just locking to the back brake and whipping it around, but I didn't want to chance it. Very good. Good job, guys. Good teamwork. Alright, we might have to do that one again, because it switchbacks here for a minute. Watch your legs. And your foot pegs. And your swing arms. Holy fuck me. Alright. We're going for it. Just fucking dive! Go head first. Oh, that's fucking gnarly. Just be on the brakes when you go off those edges so you can stop yourself and keep control. That's what I said. You just gotta pull on the clutch and coast down and get on the brakes. It's only a little nasty. Told you should have just rode it. With everything we're on, yeah, it just looks nasty. Very good.